Would you rather have a different massage next time? More relaxation and less of this look? Then maybe you should get 5-in-1 MOUNTRAX Electric Scalp Massager. 5-in-1 MOUNTRAX Electric Scalp Massager comes with 2 types of massage heads. Scalp massage heads knead the meridians to soothe the scalp and chase away fatigue while stimulating hair growth by imitating the techniques of a massagist. Facial cleansing heads clean pores and remove stubborn residual for glowing skin and confidence. Smart Scalp Massager has 3 modes, low, high, alternative, to choose from for different intensity needs, from gentle to deep kneading massage. With heating function on the smooth backside, you can enjoy comfy hot compress, which helps relieve eye strain, open pores, warm hands, and more. With IPX7 waterproof rating, the electric head massager can be used for deep scalp massage and facial cleansing even while taking a shower. The soft, detachable silicone heads prevent hair from being pulled or tangled and do not hurt your skin or cause skin allergy.